Hi everyone, it is me, Jordan Long here, and today I'm going to talk about, you know, um, about, why I, cough in my films. Now, at first you might think, oh well, you did because you had the cold. Yeah, well, even before the cold, I would cough and clear my throat a lot in my films, and everyone had a belief to why that was, you know. See, and it just happened now. And you want to hear some of the beliefs that some folks came up with, and neither of them are not the answer to the asking thing. Well, Jordan, I very think that need be the grounds to why you cough in your films, maybe your room's dusty. Well, if that was true, I'd be coughing all the time, you know, which I was when I had the cold. Well, you ever think maybe you're frightened of, doing things and lead of folks? What, you mean like shy or something? No, but there are folks in this world who are shy, or folks who are frightened of, doing anything and lead of folks. But that's not me. If I was, I wouldn't be making any of these films if I happened to be that. Well, need be you could drink something before you make a film. Yeah, and it doesn't really help that much, you know, and it doesn't truly help that much. Well, that's very sad. But here's another belief that I very think could be the grounds of it. That when you make films, you talk a lot. And so when you make films, you talk a lot, and then your body can handle you talking a lot when you make films. I don't know. I don't get it either. I don't get it either. But it's something I always do. And then you're also going to meet folks out there who are going to tell you, oh, you shouldn't cough in your films. Oh, you should not sneeze in your films. Well, yeah, there are very many folks out there who believe that you shouldn't do that under some grounds that it will be a shift off for some folks, and that it would make other trolls or bullies or haters something to make fun of you for. Yeah, well, they cough too, you know, so they would only be shaming themselves as well to shame someone else for doing it. You know, and I don't really know why that is, you know. But then again, I do have the cold or still got the cold. I don't know. But anyway, when I got the cold, I was like coughing all the time, at least on that Wednesday and then on that Thursday of the week that it started. But that's not the same thing, you know. you know. Well, I ran through all the beliefs, all the many buried beliefs over why you would be coughing in your films. But sadly, you got no running lead over it. You know, no one really has any running lead over when their body chooses to do something. You know, there are folks who say that they do, but I don't really think anyone else does. You know, well, I guess you're right about that. You know, well, well, I'm sorry that it happens. You know, well, thank you. Thank you, Strawberry Shortcake. Thank you for being so understanding of it. You know, but I don't truly know why I cough cough or clear my throat or whatever, clean my throat out or whatever it is when I make my films. You know, it just seems to happen more when I do that. You know, but I don't know if any one of them is the grounds to why I do it, you know. Well, no one seems to know. Well, no one really seems to know why I do it. And they have all their many thoughts or many beliefs of why it's done. But very few of them have really any grounds to stop it from happening. Besides, oh, drink something before you make a film is the only answer well they can give you, you know. They're like, well, you might have a runny nose and shit from your nose might be going into your mouth. Well, it could be, I don't know. I'll see everyone later.